Hi everyone. Okay, so for the sake of beginners, I want to do a quick video to show them how to identify their login numbers because you're supposed to use your login number to activate the robot. And so once you do your subscription, you'll have to send us a proof of your payment. And then let me just show you the particulars so you can have a look at it. So you send us an email and then give us the following particulars: a um, screenshot of proof of payment, and then a username, and then you add your Deriv real account login number, and then you have it sent to info.smarttradershub.com. So let me run you through the process. So you log in, the process of how to identify your login number. Now, once you log in into your Deriv Traders Hub, you see that at the Traders Hub, there is real account and then there's demo. What we're looking for is the real account. So once you select the real account, you skip this option and then scroll down to CDFs. CDFs. Okay. So at CDFs, this is where you're going to get your login number. If your account is a new account and you haven't registered your MT5's login number yet, you click on this get. At the get, you enter your password. So I'm going to enter a password. All right, so that's my password. And then I'll click on create. Okay, so I'll say maybe later. Now you see that now I've gotten my MT5's login number. So this is the login number you're supposed to send to us. So with this login number, add it to your proof of payment or subscription, and then the username you're going to use. We will configure the robot to use your account, or we'll configure the robot to recognize your account, your trading account to trade with. So that's basically it. Once you're able to do this, we will send you the robot which has been configured to the details you have given us via the same email that you forwarded the materials that we requested to us. So a quick one, for you to know what you're doing, this file is going to be sent to your email, and this is the robot. So once you get this file, you double click on the file, and then it will automatically install in your MetaTrader 5. So let me just quickly open MetaTrader 5 or MT5's trading terminal. And I'll show you exactly where you find the robot. So yes, once you hear incoming mail, then it means that your internet is working and then your account has been opened as well. Um, so you see that in the navigator panel, the robot will be showing beneath this free robots folder. This is the name of of the the robot. So you see it here. What you have to do is once it has installed, you double click on this and then it will open a dialog box for you like this. You accept this, allow algo trading, and then you go to inputs. So at input, we're going to give you a set file which will be configured to the instrument you're going to be trading or the asset or the currency pair you're going to be trading. Once you're done, you select save, and then you select OK. So after selecting save and OK, this will automatically close, of course. Then you come all the way to this portion of the terminal, trading terminal, and then you activate it by clicking on this. So you see that this will turn from red to green. So it will be like this. So once it is activated, you'll see that the robot will be in the corner somewhere here, and then it will be showing as blue. So let me just quickly do that so that you see it. So let's say this is the set of what's with the configuration, and then we've said OK. So you see that the robot will be showing in the corner with this blue hat. If this is off, the robot will be showing as gray. But the moment it is on, it will be showing as blue, which means that it is active and it can trade for you. So you just leave it, and then it will be doing the trading for you according to how we have set it up for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you don't understand anything, you can send us either an email or a WhatsApp message or a Telegram message, and then we'll respond to you. So let me add the Telegram login number as well. So this is our Telegram login number. Username. Telegram. So that is our Telegram username. In case you don't understand anything, you can get in touch with us, and then we'll be able to sort you out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.